हे गाइस, वेलकम टू चॉपी टेल्स। मैं बहुत सालों से हिमाचल प्रदेश जाना चाह रही थी। फाइनली, my excitement knew no bounds when my plan turned into a reality. Since it was off-season, I struck a beautiful deal at a discounted rate of booking a hotel which was earlier a royal palace. The pictures of this place looked so stunning that till my travel date, every night I dreamt of staying there. Finally, the much-awaited day arrived. The thought of being away from the law books and everyday routine was incredible. The route to the hotel was a hilly road with hairpin twists and turns amongst huge pine trees with mountains on both sides. It was a spellbinding view. I had rolled down the windows of the car, though the weather was chilly, and had my head outside taking in as much fresh air I could. On the way, I took a small break at a small dhaba run by an old couple. I started salivating with the aroma of parathas. वहाँ पे पुराने जमाने का गाना चल रहा था फ्रॉम द मूवी मधुमती। मन में मैंने सोचा, अहिला, ये क्या सिचुएशन है? दिस सॉन्ग वाज पिक्चराइज्ड एट हिमाचल इटसेल्फ। कोई पुनर्जन्म की मूवी थी। मैंने बचपन में दूरदर्शन पे देखी थी विद मॉम एंड डैड। खैर, आई वाज ईटिंग द गरम गरम पराठास विद अचार while speaking to the old couple. They were curious to know मैं कहाँ से आई थी, क्या करती हूँ, etc. When they inquired where I would be staying, and when I shared where I had booked, they both looked at each other with big eyes, nodded their heads, and told me the hotel is haunted. They told me some really scary incidents which made me laugh. While I was leaving, the couple told me, हम यहीं रहते हैं, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होगी तो बेझिझक आ जाना. I felt amused as well as warmth in their hospitality while I proceeded my journey. I reached my hotel in the afternoon. It was on a mountain top. This palace was an earlier summer home of a well-known king. Fresh air, birds chirping, थोड़ा chilly लेकिन awesome मौसम, इतने सुंदर फूल, पेड़ and valley view. बंदर भी बहुत सारे थे वहाँ. मुंबई के भीड़ के बाद ये सब देखने में बहुत मजा आ रहा था. I checked in. Since the hotel was under renovation, I got to know that I was given a room in the basement. A boy took my luggage and keys and led me to the basement along the staircase, which led to an unending corridor. Alongside the corridor were iron suits, armor statues guarding this corridor. There were swords and bows and arrows hanging on the ceiling. Though it was afternoon time, since this was the basement, it was well lit. Finally, at the end of the corridor was my last room. The boy opened the door with a key, placed my bags on the table. I said shukriya and paid him a tip. He smiled and told me please be careful and ran off. I was confused why he said that. I checked the room. It was too massive, with 2 king-size beds, huge French windows with very high ceiling, beautifully designed motifs in all colors, almost human-sized Maharaja Maharani paintings which looked surreal. This room made me feel like a queen. There was also a large walk-in closet with tall stools and big mirrors. Since this was the last room, this closet had a transparent glass on the roof for natural sunlight to come in. I wondered, with such transparent glass, how can one change clothes here? बाथरूम की बात ही कुछ और थी. 10 लोग नहा सकेंगे. Old designer taps and other gold color accessories. I was tired since it was a long journey and was dying to crash. Fruit basket में से एक एप्पल खाया and then went for a nice warm tub bath. फिर थोड़ी देर सो गई. By the time I got up, it was almost 6:30 p.m. I got ready and went out. The corridor was all empty. It was a long walk to the reception. I inquired about the activities and planned my next 2 days. I didn't have lunch and was very hungry, so decided to have an early dinner. After dinner, I went for a walk in the garden. स्वेटर के साथ मंग की टोपी भी पहन रखी थी. फिर भी it was cold. लेकिन इतना मज़ा आ रहा था. मैंने मेरी लाइफ में इतने तारे नहीं देखे. The sky was full of stars, clusters of them. I even saw shooting stars and made a wish. Believe me, This was one of the best and the most memorable treasured moments of my life. खैर, देर हो गई थी, बहुत ठंडी भी थी और सुबह ट्रैक पे जाना था, तो मैं होटल के अंदर आई. I walked down the basement and was walking in the corridor to reach my room. जब लाइट चली गई और मेरे फ़ोन की बैटरी भी, मैं एक जगह खड़ी हो गई. It was pitch dark and scary silence. डर तो लग ही रहा था, लेकिन कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं था. In that pitch darkness, all I could see was a bit of shining armors. ऐसे लग रहा था कि I'm घेरा out with armed scary men. I was thinking hard of the geography of my room and started walking slowly with my key in my hand. I stopped at a door and felt it with my hand. I tried to put the key, searching for the keyhole. तब जोर से किसी ने मुझे धक्का दिया and the door of my room opened अपने आप. I felt ice cold hands pushing me. I was scared to death, was trembling like a leaf with my heart beating fast. इतने में लाइट आ गई. First thing I did was fumblingly called up the reception to change my room immediately. As my bad luck couldn't be better, it was full occupancy. I made myself understand it is a matter of one night, it'll pass soon, and I will check out in the morning. I put my phone on charging and called up a friend और बात करते करते सो गई. Around 2:30 a.m. वॉशरूम जाना था. उठी, all lights in my room were on anyways. I walked towards a walk-in closet, opened its door and switched on the lights. मेरी नज़र ऊपर ग्लास पे गई. ग्लास ही नहीं दिख रहा था, वहाँ दिख रहे थे तो हजारों आंखें. I screamed with fright to realize it was a big group of monkeys on the glass watching me. हुश, दिमाग का खेल. वॉशरूम से आके सोने की कोशिश की, लेकिन नींद ही नहीं आ रही थी. थोड़ी देर में पानी की आवाज आई. It was running water. I remembered closing the taps well. I gathered all my courage and got up to check in the bathroom to see the shower and all taps on. I closed all these and came back in the changing room chanting Hanuman Chalisa. As I jumped in my bed, I could hear noises of someone upstairs playing billiards. I knew the billiards room was just above my room. It was almost 3:30 a.m. by now, and my mind was imagining things when I looked around the huge room, the paintings, the motifs, the ceiling. डर से पिलो को हग करके जब नींद आई पता ही नहीं चला. I felt someone tickling me with a feather. I got up with a start. कोई नहीं था वहाँ. फिर ऐसे लगा कि कोई नजदीक है और टूथपेस्ट की खुशबू आई. सुबह के 8 बजे थे. डर से मेरी हिम्मत ही नहीं हो रही थी to get up from the bed. I gathered all my strength, collected my stuff and ran in the corridor. And that feeling that someone followed me till the reception was just making me sick. I called for a taxi, checked out, and straight went to Chandigarh to catch a flight back to Mumbai. On my way, I saw the dhaba I had food at while going to the hotel. The old couple watched my car and waved at me while smiling. It was as if they knew I would go back in the morning, and then I remembered their words. हम यही रहते हैं, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होगी तो बेझिझक आ जाना. One side of me says I was hallucinating and imagining things, while the other side says my senses were much stronger in this place and I could hear things, sounds of water, smell of toothpaste, seeing people in the dark, the tickling feeling. Who knows what is true or false? Lekin this experience didn't stop me from traveling to Himachal in the next year and staying in the same hotel in the same room. This time, there was nothing untoward that happened other than monkeys watching me from uppar ka glass with eyes twinkling at me when I got up at night to go to the washroom, and I teased them laughingly, shooing them away. You know what? I realized people are more scary than ghosts. We will stop checking for monsters under our bed when we realize they are inside us. Don't forget, even devil was an angel once. So long guys. Hasta la vista. फिर मिलेंगे हम लोग in my next video of Chirpy Tales.